How to tag someone in a Facebook post. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to tag someone in your Facebook post, then what you're gonna have to do is, first of all, open Facebook app on your device. Then go to your Facebook profile, which is in the top over here. After you go here, it will take you to your account, Facebook profile. Scroll a bit down. Now over here, you can see the option which says what's on your mind. Click on it. And then you can either write something or attach a photo or a video to it. I'll attach a photo. Now you can also add more photos from here by selecting multiple photos, or you can also add a video and then write something about the photo. Write a caption. I'm going to write something. Then after you do that, if you want to tag people, what you're going to do is over here in the blue icon you can see the click on it. Then you'll see various people over here. They are the people you know or your Facebook friends. So if you click on someone, then go back, then they will be tagged for the photo. So this is how you can tag people in your Facebook post. Not only that, you can also tag multiple people at once in one post. So this is how you can tag other people in a Facebook post. Thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and meet you in the next video.